be shy. Okay, there's no right or wrong answers, no right or wrong anything. There's a lot of engagement during this next hour, so just be yourself. Anybody else a perfectionist or fighting to not be? Perfectionism is the enemy of progress. Stories don't have to be perfect, especially when you're using them to engage with clients, prospects, peers. Just be you, because when you exhibit all of those characteristics, it enables and it invites your prospects, clients, and peers to feel safe, to be vulnerable with you as well. My hope for this presentation today is that you will leave here with either a paradigm shift or maybe a reaffirmation. I've been in the financial industry for more than 25 years. When I started, EQ, soft skills, by the way, there's nothing soft about them, right? Empathy, communication, connection, that ain't soft. That's hard stuff, but it's good stuff. Because of that story, am now able to engage people with some pretty real skin in the game, right? You dig in, you get curious. If you do not exhibit yourself as an authentic, vulnerable, real person, you don't have a chance. By doing those things, they're more engaged, statistically proven. Promise me that you do it, because it works. I swear it works. If it's the very first outreach or the 100 millionth. It doesn't matter if it's a client you've had for 10 years or someone that you're just now meeting for coffee. Potentially being in a challenging situation with maybe an older advisor and you're like, oh dear God, we don't see things the same way at all. How do I go there? How do I do that? If you go into a prospect meeting cold, I'm sorry, but that's just not smart. If they don't trust you, you're not going to stand out among your peers, and they're not going to stay with you. Always stay curious. Never assume you know the answer.